All right, here we are. So the trailer has been moved to our driveway. I'll explain why in a moment, but not quite sure why that piece of wood is still there. We are now working on grinding off all the surface rust. You can see this is where he already painted. This is what we're working on. That's what needs to be worked on. But along the way, of course, we found another little problem. There's a crack in the frame. So that was just an excuse for my husband to go buy a welder. So we will be welding in a little while. But here we are, down to the bare bones. All right, we'll see you in a little bit. got the trailer up on the side. It's been sanded. It's been painted. What are you working on now?
Well, running wiring. You come down here. We've got a new 7-pin connector for the trailer wiring, or trailer lights, brakes. Ran it to here. Problem we ran into was we didn't have a place to really mount it, so Kurt, being the expert welder that he now is, welded 2 pieces of 2-inch steel together, welded that to the frame, painted it up, and if you look underneath you can see the electrical junction box, which now I'm going to run this wiring to.
Okay.
That's going to carry the wiring over to the back of the trailer so we can have brakes, turn signals, and then I'll have to splice it to bring it to the middle for the trailer brakes. And I'll also have to run it forward. I'm going to run power to the battery that'll be mounted to the trailer so that while we're driving somewhere, the vehicle power will charge the battery.
the trailer has been flipped back over. You can see, nice painting. Got the wiring going all along there. We did bring the wheel mount things. What are those called? Whatever they are. We did bring that part back because now we got to start working on the framing of it. But this is where things landed. You look down here, wire is running to the brakes. We believe that the brakes are not in working condition at this point, but we will get to that at some point when we can put a temporary plate on it and bring it to a garage to have those worked on. So that is it for episode 8. We still just have a trailer, but we're hopefully gonna start working on that framing for the floor this weekend. All right, see you soon.